Welcome back. I'd like to wish everyone, before I get started, a happy Valentine's Day. Notice I'm in my red, with my red lipstick, celebrating Valentine. Now, I understand that there's so many stories about how Valentine started. I even had one of my delivery drivers come in here and tell me that we shouldn't celebrate it because it's got to do with gay people them, and we shouldn't be celebrating anything with gay people name. It's only Valentine him know he was a gay man. So I had to try and educate him and let him know that there is a lot of things that people are saying in regards to Valentine. Now, I know for a fact that the unbelievers, right, are normally the mean one them, especially the man them, who do not want to buy any Valentine gifts or celebrate it with their girlfriend or with their wives. I know for a fact that a few people I've spoken to have told me confidentially that they have broken up with their girlfriends because they do not want to buy no Valentine card or take them out for meal or anything like that. So they break up with them, right, a few days before Valentine's Day and then make it up back with them after. Mean basket them. People, I am going to tell you one of the stories that I have found out. And I am agreeing with this one because it sounds nicer and it sounds more reasonable. So, apparently Valentine started around 270 AD, well before our time. An Emperor Claudius II had banned marriages because he thought that men who are married made very bad soldiers. So, when he had done this, there was a man called Valentine who thought that this was unreasonable. And being a priest, he used to hide and marry the couples who wanted to be together. When Claudius found out, Valentine was thrown in jail and sentenced to death. Something like what the English people would do, not true, in them days. Anyway, Valentine fell in love with the jailer's daughter. And when he was taken to be killed on the 14th of February, he sent her a love letter and signed, "From your Valentine." True or false? I don't know, but I'm enjoying this one. And then later on, in 496 AD, Pope Gelasius I named the 14th of February as St. Valentine's Day and organized a Christian feast. Described the feast day as St. Valentine and remembered Valentine as a martyr, which means someone who was killed because of their faith and beliefs. It's believed that he created the day to celebrate this man's life. Another story I've heard of is that Valentine, right, a very old tradition, was thought to have originated from a Roman festival called Lupercalia. That took place in mid-February, the start of their springtime. It's said that as part of the celebration, boys drew names of girls from a box. They would then be boyfriend and girlfriend during the festival and sometimes got married. That's another story that I think is nice. I like that. I like that one. So, is Valentine's Day a real thing or an excuse for people to get lovey-dovey with one another? It seems like it's been around for thousands and thousands of years, right? Before our great-grandparents, great-great-great-great-great-grandparents, right? So, do we continue celebrating or do we not continue celebrating? Is it a pagan thing or is it not a pagan thing? As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't really matter. You know, from you love someone, you love someone. You want to choose a day to celebrate, then the best day to do it is Valentine. And anyway, me like the name Valentine. It's a nice name. The symbol for Valentine's Day is actually Cupid. You know, the one that you see the statue down in, I don't even know, is it Piccadilly or somewhere down there, where you have the little boy, right, with an arrow and he's got wings, and he says that when people fall in love, it's him, Cupid, using his bow and arrow to join people together. Now, it's a Roman mythology. Cupid is the son of Venus, the goddess of love and beauty. Legend has it that he always has his bow and arrow ready in order to pierce people's hearts, causing them to fall madly in love. Now, isn't that nice? Oh. Today, being a Sunday and being Valentine's Day, I am preparing brown stewed chicken, and I'm going to serve that with rice and peas and some salad. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I will try and be as detailed as possible, but you know, today is a mad day. I've got orders left, right and center. So I need to be dealing with this, but I will do the best I can. And as well as that, being such a lover's day, then I'm going to find some lovely old time records so that we can play some nice song and enjoy the day. See guys? I'm in the kitchen cooking the stew chicken, and a customer's just walked in and bought me chocolates and flowers. See, you don't have to have a man to be treated like a lady. That just means I can't complain. Yeah. She loves me. I must admit.
There's nothing that can go wrong when two hearts beat together. It's like an everlasting song. It's like an everlasting song. The moon shines bright over yonder, yeah, and it makes me feel so fine. I'm so thankful, baby, that Jah has made you mine. I'm so thankful that Jah has made you mine. 'Cause away in our hearts today. In our hearts today.
Go home and I'm going to sit down and have my meal, play with my cat, relax and go to bed. So I've got my coleslaw, got my salad. I'm going with the plain rice. I know I said rice and peas, but I'm going with the plain rice, and my brown stew chicken that I've just cooked. And I fancied a drink, so I've taken 2 of the punches from out of my fridge. Suppose I'm going to have to pay for them when the people come to pick up their money, but hey, it's Valentine. Happy Valentine, everybody. Have a good day. Sitting here relaxing, I've started reminiscing. How many times have you guys been receiving Valentine gifts, and what kind of gifts did you receive? In all my 65 years, only one stick out in my head, and I don't even remember. I think it was probably in the 90s. I was going out with this guy who owned a radio station, and he was always good to me. And on Valentine's Day, I remember one time a cab turned up at my house, and when I went downstairs, there was a big magnum of champagne, box of chocolate, and I think it was 20 red roses. Couldn't believe it. I was so gobsmacked, really, really gobsmacked. But apart from that one time and the other relationships them that I've had, me no remember none of them get me anything. But anyway, it's life. Okay guys, I'm tired. I've had enough. It's been a long day today. Tomorrow is another one. So, you know what? Let me pick up my tired self and go on my bed. But before I go, if you enjoyed the music and enjoyed the video, then please subscribe, comment, and share. Until the next time, walk good.